Hello, my name is Codemaster Jamal, and this is going to be a quick devlog. Welcome you guys, and thanks for coming back for another quick devlog. I've actually got a few things to show. I've added back the virtual drive onto the character. If you pay attention to the hips of the character, you can actually see it back there again. So I've added that back to the character, and there's a few things I've actually fixed. I've actually made movement a lot better, despite seeing the tad bit of sliding on there. That's actually due to something on the client. Everything works perfectly fine on server, and I'll actually show that in a full-length devlog later. But for now, I want to show you guys these virtual drive. I've added more apps to the virtual drive actually, and I'm thinking about adding even more later, but for now that's up for now. That's another talk for some other time. And I've also added crouching back to the game, but I still need to perfect it. There's a lot of things I have to do for the game actually, and I'm actually working on it one by one. If you pay attention in the top left corner, I've also changed up the character avatar, but who knows, I might change that back to what it was originally. It was just an icon for what nation the character came from, and next time you have another update, you'll have a lot more to see. I'm making a video game, y'all.